In this video, I will be demonstrating how thermal energy particles move throughout a substance. In front of us, we have two cylinders, one filled with cold ice water, one filled with boiling water. First, we're going to observe the temperature. Let's start with our cold substance. The temperature in our cold substance, you can see where the red line comes up to, it's about 5 degrees Celsius. 5 degrees Celsius in the ice water. Next, we're going to take the temperature on the hot substance. The temperature on the hot substance is about 70 degrees Celsius and rising. So about 70 degrees Celsius. Now, to observe how thermal energy particles move, I'm going to add food coloring into each of these substances. We're going to start by adding yellow food coloring in the warm substance. I want you to notice how quickly or how slowly the food coloring moves throughout the substance. Add 4 drops of yellow. So notice in about 7 seconds, the color was completely saturated in the water. So all of the water turned this yellow-orange color in about 7 seconds. This is the warm water. Now we're gonna add some drops of green food coloring into the cold liquid. Okay? So we added the same amount of liquid food coloring into this substance, and notice how slowly the water is being saturated by the color. Now let's look at these two substances together. As you can see, the warm liquid, the food coloring has completely saturated into the liquid. The cold substance, the food coloring is still slowly trying to saturate into the liquid. Why do you think this is? This is because of the moving particles of thermal energy. In the liquid that is warmer, the particles are moving at a faster rate, which causes the food coloring to spread more evenly and quickly throughout the hot liquid. In the cold liquid, there is less thermal energy, so the food coloring takes a longer time to spread throughout the liquid. And that is how thermal energy moves throughout a liquid substance.